Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn like Jennie. This is from the Golden Disc Awards, and this is the second chorus that she did. Obviously, the first chorus was the original choreography, but the second chorus was new, and I think it's kind of trending. I mean, anything Jennie does, it starts trending. So yeah, I wanted to learn it and I want to teach it to you guys today. So let's get started. So for the first part, she is going to kick her right leg up, okay? And as she kicks her right leg up, her hands are coming up and it's going down like this, okay? And this move is just preparation for the next move because you want to get into the next move, which goes like that, okay? So we kicking our right leg up and our hands are coming down like this. So we're going one, okay? Like that. So one and then after we do that, now our hands are going to come like this. So it's going to go out. Then it's going to go to the front and your left hand's going to go over your right hand. It goes out, out to the front, out to the back, out to the front again. And what your body is doing, your body is leaning and it's leaning and leaning again. Okay, so it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we go ooh, because it goes like there's like a little dance break in between. Okay, then so when we come here, we're kicking our right leg out and then bringing it back, left leg comes out. So it goes 1 and 2. So we're here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay, now we kind of do this move and I'm following Jennie here, not the dancers. So we go in, so your hands go out and your hip comes out. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what your hands are doing is going out, your hips coming out, your hands are going front, your hips are coming back. So it's, and she looks to the left. So she goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 7, 8, you go hip out, chest out, head. So 1 and 2. So you bring your body up. Okay? My voice. So you bring your body up. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, now we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So what we're doing here is we're taking our right legs, we 1 and 2, left leg 3 and 4, and we turn to the left 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now the dancers, right? Usually some people follow the dancers, but I'm following Jennie because she's kind of like cool and freestyling in this part. So the dancers, their hands goes straight, but it doesn't look nice when it's one person. That's why. So their hands go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Right? It doesn't look nice when it's one person. So I'm just doing Jennie's part. So she goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to bring our right leg front and our left leg goes to the back. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So what our hands are doing, our hands are here by our waist and it's going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's like going around and around and around. Okay? And our legs are going 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, then on 5 we go out. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're stepping right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Right. Okay, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from here we're going to do some hand movements. So your left hand is facing the front and then your right hand's going round, round, up. So da 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 da. The music goes da, 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 like that, kind of like a da 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 da. So then you're gonna go pa 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 pa. Okay. Now from coming back, and we're gonna lean. Okay, so they go, who wanna rock with Jennie? Okay, so from here, when we did that movement, we're gonna bring our right hand to the front, like how we brought our left hand to the front earlier, and our left hand's gonna go around, and it's by our hip. Okay, so we're going around like that, and it's kind of cool. So we go 1, and then like Jennie, when she says Jennie, your both hands are gonna come up, and you're gonna lean like Jennie, and you're gonna lean back on your left leg. So you go like Jennie. Okay, now from Jennie, here we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our hands are going 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we're doing that, we're moving down, down, down. And then when we do this part, we go 4. Like that. So we kind of bounce. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from who wanna rock with Jennie? Keep it heel down like Jennie. Okay, I don't know the words. I'm so sorry. I don't know the words for that part, but like it goes like that. So the music goes da 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 Jennie. Okay. Now from here, what we're gonna do from here. Now Jennie is standing very much with her legs more closer together than the dancers. So she's just like 2, 3. Okay. Their legs are more out, and what they're doing with their legs is they're going out, in, like that. Okay, so I don't know if I explained that properly, but they go out, in, out, in, out. Okay, but you cannot see it that much when you're doing the dance. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then I hope I don't know if I explained that properly. So let me just try to explain that a little bit better. So your legs are out as you go up. Comes in, goes out. Legs are in, right hand goes up, comes out. But it's more of a 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of move. Let me just stand my front so I don't hit the wall. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So it's more of that kind of move. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From here, what they're gonna do is they were standing in this position. So their hands, their left hand's gonna go out like this. It's gonna come in, go out, down. As they do that, their left leg's also gonna go out. So it's going out, going in, out, down. 1, 2. Okay, so 1 and 2. So it's 1 and 2. Okay, so out, in, out, down. Out, in, out, down. I'm trying to focus really hard when I'm teaching you this part because you can't really see it. It's very subtle and it's very fast. So it goes 1, 2, like that. Okay, Jennie. Now, what we're gonna do with our hands. Jennie is doing this move. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me just come more closer so you can see the hand movement. So your hands going, your right hand, 1, shoulder also moves. 1, 2. Then we do double, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So what we're doing with our legs is we bringing our right leg out. So 1, 2, double, double, 3, 4. I hope that makes sense. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after that move, we are here, 6. We bring our hands out and around. Okay? So we're going 1, 2. So we're moving our hands around and around. So around and around. And our body is going 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2. Then our right hand, from here, we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so what we do, we go 1, and then the right leg's coming out like this. 2, left leg out. 3, right leg out and up. Okay? And what we're doing with our hands is we're going out, twirl it around, twirl around, and up. And that is the dance break. So let's do the dance break in 0.5 times speed. And yeah.
Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did learn this dance tutorial from me, please tag me on my socials. Here are my accounts. And thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all and bye bye.